Hi, hello? Is this Muffin's house?
Muffin!
Okay, yeah, I know. Can I come in to make some muffins?
And it's muffin time!
Yeah, I know, that's why.
Please, I just wanna die!
Okay, FBI. Since this is obviously a video about how to make muffins, today I'm gonna make banana cake muffins. You'll need 2 bananas, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, some salt, brown sugar, buttermilk, vanilla extract, butter, and 2. And 2 eggs, possibly not broken ones. So this is all you need for your banana cake. And of course, a tray for the banana cake muffins, obviously. I'm also using something that I will decorate my muffins with, that I will give some texture to, and that will be the cream cheese icing. For this, you'll need some cream cheese, some butter, vanilla extract, and confectioner's sugar. I hope I pronounced that right. If by any chance you're a dumbass like me and you don't have a scale to measure grams or a measuring cup with grams, I'll show you how much milligrams you have to use instead of grams, because it was a real pain in the ass to convert cups into grams and then into milligrams. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video of the cooking process. Add 190 grams of that good ass all-purpose flour. Add 100 grams of that sweet ass white sugar. Next up is the brown sugar, and you should have 50 grams of it. Add 2 teaspoons of cocaine, of baking powder, my bad. Half a teaspoon of salt, as well as a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, or if you really like cinnamon, just add like a whole teaspoon. Mix the dry ingredients before adding the wet ingredients. Put 2. Wait, hold up. I remember this moment.
What you say?
Okay. Anyways, put 2 unborn chickens in your dry ingredients, 200 milligrams of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, melt 85 grams of butter and then add it to the mix. Yeah, no shit. When you add the butter, then just mix up all the ingredients together, because this is like a mix of ingredients, you know, for the banana cake. Yeah. Massage those bananas so that they become mushy and relaxed, you know. The last thing you want is a stressed out banana in your mixture for the cupcakes. Of course, remove the strings from the banana, because no normal human being actually eats these strings. If by any chance you eat these strings with the banana, I'll pray for you tonight. Then just slightly press them in the mix, and if you want pieces of banana in your cupcakes, then you don't have to mix for a long time, just a bit, just to make them like comfortable with all other ingredients. Fill the muffin tray and preheat the undo on 180 undo A. Until the cupcakes are baked, you can prepare the cream cheese icing or any icing by your choice. I personally really love the chocolate icing, but I already did it last time I did this, so this is actually something new I never have done, and I'm just trying to experiment. You can really do anything with this cupcake. You can add ice cream, blueberries, bananas, oranges, like you can basically add anything that you personally like. Add 50 grams of butter, which is approximately this, With the butter, add 115 grams of cream cheese. After that, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 200 grams of the confectioner sugar, which, because I don't have the measurements for grams, it's around 350 milliliters. Just put it all inside. Put it all inside like that, and then just mix it up. And the end result should be looking something like this. And it's actually pretty tasty. I thought it would be really cheesy, but I really like this one. Bake the cupcakes for around 20 to 30 minutes. It really depends on the oven that you're using, or until they are really golden brown. Now it's time to taste the cake, my kings. Let's see how it turned out. Well, snake bite my ass. This was really damn good. And as Binging with Babish would say, this will go to the Clean Play Club because it was that good. And now I'm gonna give it to my neighbor to taste it, and let's see what he thinks of it.
So I need to try this.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that?
What do you mean? What do you mean, man?
Oh, this is bad.
Man,
This is bad.
man, this is not by the script. What do you mean? This is not by the script. You're supposed to say something good. What do you mean?
Ah. Oh no, my man. This is really good. This is really good.
Thank you.
I like it. It's perfect.
Thank you.
So how much do I get for this one?
Man,
How
shut
much
up.
do I get paid?
Man, shut up. Just a note, I didn't pay this man to review my cupcakes and to give me 5 out of 5 stars on Google reviews. Anyways, thank you for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and if you want to support the channel. Also comment down below if you actually try this, and until next time.